All right, so if today you received a crown from us, you're probably left with a temporary crown, and we would have scheduled you for 3 weeks from today to cement your permanent crown. So in that event, with the temporary, we like to give you a few instructions. First of all, tooth might be sensitive to hot, cold, and even chewing or pressure, so be aware that's totally normal. That sensitivity will get better with time. Second of all, we want to tell you a few things about the temp. It is a temporary, so that means we want it to come off in a few weeks, but sometimes they break or pop off earlier because we use temporary cement, and it's not as ideal of a fit as the permanent crown. So be very careful chewing anything real sticky, really hard or crunchy, or gooey. All those things can cause the temp to pop off. You're probably going to want to favor the other side of the mouth for chewing for a few weeks here until we get the permanent one. Finally, if you have to floss, we say don't floss around the temp, but if you absolutely have to because something gets stuck in there, just pop it up and pull it through the side, and that'll pull the food or whatever debris is in there out. If you pop it up and pull it down, you're likely to pop the crown off. Be very careful with these things because we know it's inconvenient when these temps pop off, but it does happen. So in the event that your temp pops off, no big deal, not a panic, not a thing to panic about, I should say. Just give us a call and we can either get you in to re-cement it or remake your temp, because sometimes they crack too. So these things happen. Just be aware that it's normal, but I'd say 99% of the time they stay in for the full 3 weeks. Finally, if you had a root canal in conjunction with your crown today, be aware that that tooth's going to be very, very tender for at least 10 days. We will have put you on an antibiotic, so make sure you take that all the way through, and then a pain medication to help with any inflammation. So that's about it. We'll see you in a few weeks for your permanent crown, and we'll talk to you soon.